Pets do speak, but to only those who actually listen. Every day, countless of pets feel anxiety, hunger, boredom, or fear when left alone. They can't tell us when they are thirsty, annoyed by pets, cold, or simply alone. Owners are not at home. They feel separational anxiety and lack of hygiene, which can basically cause destructive behavior and other health problems. Many of the pet owners do not even want to own pets because it's too hard to manage.
After analyzing all the problems faced by our furry companions, we created an all-in-one solution, Pet Amicus, a smart pet house designed to care when you can't be there. Pet Amicus takes care of your pet's essential like food, water, and temperature, and all of it and much more than it Pet Amicus can do. Pet Amicus has various features like automatic feeding system, a temperature regulation system that automatically regulates the temperature inside the pet house according to the type of the pet and the breed of the pet. Then it also has a UV sterilization, pest repellent, and a detachable vacuum cleaner to maintain the cleanliness inside the pet home. Then it has a 360-degree live monitoring camera so the owner can easily monitor their pet when they are not at home. Then all these features could be controlled with a single command on the mobile application via Internet of Things. Our pet amicus also includes sleep mode lighting, so our pet can sleep peacefully. It has a foldable infrastructure, it's solar powered, and it has a soundproof design. Every feature is designed with only one principle, compassion with technology. We spoke to various pet owners and trainers, and they told us pets don't only need shelter or food, but they need care, security, and emotional comfort. And where it confirms that Pet Amicus becomes home for them, not a cage.
We plan to integrate health monitoring, expand for different animal sizes, and connect the shelters with the NGOs of animals so that even the strays can be benefited from this innovation. Take a second pause and think. Pet Amicus is not just simply a project, it's a promise that no pet ever feels abandoned, unsafe, or unheard because companionship deserves care always.